Can social media ads make your Etsy store profitable? For Etsy sellers, using social media ads can be a great way to increase visibility, attract potential customers, and ultimately make more money. Can social media ads really help your Etsy store become profitable, though? Let's take a closer look. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest provide advertising options that allow businesses to target specific groups of people based on factors like age, location, interests, and online habits. Since social media ads are targeted, you'll be drawing the attention of people who will be genuinely interested in what you're selling. Unlike traditional advertising methods like print or TV ads, social media ads let sellers choose exactly who sees their ads. Social media ads also give Etsy sellers the ability to control how much they spend on advertising. Whether a seller has a small budget or a big one, social media platforms offer plenty of options for businesses of all sizes to create effective ad campaigns without spending too much money. This flexibility lets Etsy sellers try out different kinds of ads. This means that you'll get a chance to see what works best for your store without going over budget. Another benefit of using social media ads to make your Etsy store more profitable is that you'll be able to see how well your ads are doing in real time. Social media platforms provide detailed information about how many people saw an ad, how many clicked on it, and how many ended up buying something after viewing the ad. This will allow you to track the success of your ads and make changes to improve them if necessary. Social media ads also allow Etsy sellers to show off their products in a visually appealing way. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are especially good for sharing high-quality pictures and videos. By using these platforms, you'll be able to make sure that your products look as good as possible. The better your product photos are, the more people will be enticed and therefore visit your Etsy store. Even though social media ads have a lot of potential to help Etsy stores become profitable, there's no guarantee of success. Like any kind of advertising, it takes careful planning and testing to get the best results. Here are some tips for Etsy sellers who want to make the most out of using social media ads. Set clear goals. Set clear goals for your ads, like increasing sales or getting more people to visit your website. It's recommended that you start by setting manageable goals. This way, you won't get overwhelmed or disappointed when business is slow. Identify your target audience. Learn as much as you can about your target audience so that you can create ads that will appeal to them. This is going to be the first and most important step when it comes to bringing in new customers. Create high-quality ads. Make sure your ads look good and grab people's attention. If you're having someone else create your social media ads for you, don't hesitate to tell them exactly what your vision is. Experiment with different types of ads. Try different kinds of ads and see which ones work best for your store. This is oftentimes a process of trial and error. Pay attention to how your ads are doing. Keep an eye on how your ads are doing and make changes if you need to. By following these tips, you may just be able to use social media ads to help your Etsy store become more profitable and successful.